Hey, if you want to switch your account to the personal on the Pinterest mobile application, first you have to click on the saved in the right bottom corner and click on the settings in the right upper corner. From here, go to the account management and you'll have to select convert to personal account. Now from here, we are switching our current business account into the personal, so you have to click on the red button. And now, as you can see, that's some kind of the bug. In my case, as you can see, it's actually overdrive this notifications after switching to the personal account over my profile, but when I click X, as you can see, it doesn't work. So if you have the same bug, I can recommend you to simply close all of the apps that you have in the background, including Pinterest, and now open it one more time and we can actually quickly check if it works. So go right here, and as you can see, we successfully convert our business account into the public account. So that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.